Hello there, my name is Valerie White Williams and I would like to welcome you to my channel, YouTube Success Strategies. And this is where I am teaching you guys how to succeed on YouTube. This is not my first channel. My main channel is called Vocal Splendor Studios and it's pretty much close to 54,000 subscribers and has 12 million views. So this is my baby channel. I'm just getting it started and I want to help you guys grow your YouTube channel. So what I'm talking about today is one of the most important things about YouTube is lighting. So I advise most people to go ahead and invest in lighting to get a good YouTube look. When I first started in YouTube, there was no lights really available. So what I did is I actually took an IKEA light and shined it on my face. And if you go to my videos on Vocal Splendor Studios, my very early ones, I look orange and I didn't really have a lot of great lighting. So in 2015, I invested in some ring lights and some other lights, and it's the best way to get light because it doesn't matter if you have a great camera. If your lighting is not good, you're not going to get good results, period. Because the camera only can work as well on great lights. So I am using a ring light right now, and you can tell my face is lit. It works great. I have one that is a stand-up light. It's a big light. You can also get little desk lights or small lights, but it's really, really important to get light on your face because you don't want to look in the dark. You know, someone once said in one of my videos, were you filming in a cave back in the old days? But that was before lights were really available. Now lights are not that much money. You can get a small ring light for probably around $20 up to 60 or 70 at the most. And some other people have pillow lights. There's definitely, 3-light combination. I film in my music studio, so what works best for me is just my ring light because it's portable, it's really easy. And so if you are interested in YouTube, I really suggest that you take the light. So what I'm going to do, and I'm going to show you what it would look like if I didn't have that light on. So I'm going to go up and turn it off right now. I'm going to pause, and then you're going to see the difference. All right, so this is what it looks like without my ring light. It's not that great. It's grainy. You can see the light's not as great. It's not as compelling. So this is me without the light. I just have my overhead light, and this is what you get. You get shadows. It's just not great. So getting a great light is going to make your video quality go up. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to turn it on and you can see the difference. See, isn't that so much better? It's not ideal. I have to film in a room where I teach a lot of lessons. Back in the old days, in my old house, I had a dedicated YouTube studio. It was great. I could leave everything set up. I could actually have more lights, but this works for me. So if you're used to, or if you want to invest in your YouTube channel, I suggest getting a light as soon as you can because you're just gonna get better results with that. And they're fairly affordable on YouTube, so I will give you some links below, but get that ring light. You will be so glad that you did. All right, take care next time, and I'll see you later. And what else would you like me to talk about YouTube? I've been on YouTube for well over 10 years, so let me have your suggestions on what you want me to talk about, whether it's lighting, whether it's filming, whether it's building a channel. I am willing to answer your questions, so let me know in the description below. All right, take care until next time. Bye.